Hey guys, Praveen here. Today's UI design tip is to use some patterns on your dashboards. So I have some dashboards example here, and if you can see, I had some empty areas in this section over here, and I added some brand related patterns, as I said here. So adding patterns like this in especially empty sections in your dashboard pages, especially when you're in the initial stage of developing your product, you'll have lots of empty sections in your product, in your dashboards or apps. So I usually fill it up or cover it basically with some very subtle patterns, something like this patterns which is brand related patterns, something like this one which is again brand related pattern. So just some people won't like the empty space. Most of my clients tell me, fill it up somehow, do it looks empty. So you can just add some patterns there, and it's a great way to infuse some personality, some brand recognition. So whatever your brand is known for, just add that. So if it's something related to mental health like this, you can add some very subtle brand related flowers. So this brand has flower as its logo, so you can add that same flower as a pattern in your empty areas, whatever you have. And this is a very dark brand overall. They have lots of gradients and things, so I added it to the background itself, just so we have some patterns going on in the dashboard. And this I added some illustrations, so that's also a kind of pattern which we have over here. So it's just a good way to add some personality, cover some empty space, and your clients will love you for it. So let's see something that I built recently. So this is something that I'm building. It's called Teak, and it has this pattern as like the brand pattern that we have over here. So while I'm building the app, I'm adding it everywhere. So in the register page, we have the same pattern. It's just it has brand recognition. In the maybe settings page, we have some patterns. So wherever I feel there's some empty space, there's something that we can there's something that's needed there just to have some more pop, I'll just add our brand pattern. And even here I've added the pattern over here. So because this area felt very empty, so I added some pattern that I have over here. And this works for even dark mode. This orange would not be better, would not fit in dark mode. So while in dark mode, I changed it to like dark colors. So we'll still have the pattern, but we don't have the colors. So it's still dark mode, but it's very muted, it's very dark. So yeah, so you can use your patterns in your dashboards. That's the first thing. Use it in your dashboards, use it in your web apps, use it wherever there's some empty space. But most of the things, use it subtly, like very subtle pattern. It shouldn't be even visible for most people. It should be like very subtle, so that it's not overpowering the main content itself. So yeah, that's my UI tip for today. Let me know if this helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you want any more specific UI tips in dashboards, sidebars, and things like that. That's it for now. Bye bye.